To meet the increasingly high surface cleaning needs of high-end manufacturing industry, laser cleaning technology came into being. It is considered to be the most reliable and effective surface treatment technology due to its characteristics of no chemical reaction, no thermal effect, and suitability for various materials. Simple 2 kW continuous fiber laser cleaning machine can achieve the purpose of cleaning by burning the paint or rust on the surface of the workpieces. Compared with traditional cleaning methods, laser cleaning is a green one that does not require any chemicals or cleaning fluids. It can easily solve the problem of environmental pollution caused by chemical cleaning. Equipped with a stable laser cleaning system, the machine has low operating costs and almost no maintenance. The built-in dual temperature control water tank has the cooling capacity as high as 5.2 kW. At the same time, it has dual-channel cooling function. The internal heat dissipation of the whole machine is ensured by dual cooling fans, one in and one out, to ensure the internal air circulation and heat dissipation of the device. In addition, the control system software of the machine is also very simple and easy to operate. The interface displays all the parameters of the entire equipment to monitor the status of the whole machine in real time, avoid problems in advance, and ensure the stable progress of the cleaning process. The newly launched handheld cleaning head with a control system independently developed by Senfeng has multiple safety devices, flexible and easy to use. The safety lock can prevent dust from entering when there is no cleaning work. So let's do a live demo now. The cleaning width of this equipment is 0 to 300 mm optional. Fiber laser cleaning machine is not only a laser rust removal tool, it also used for laser paint removal, laser degreasing, laser removal of oxide layer, laser cleaning screw, and laser weld cleaning. And it plays an important role in many fields. The application industry covers aerospace, shipbuilding, high-speed rail, automobile, mold, nuclear, and other fields. If you are interested in this versatile and efficient laser cleaning machine, Senfeng welcomes your messages at any time. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.